Hello everyone, welcome back to day 57 of our 365 days life challenge. I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we get into an important topic that affects many of us directly. Section 80DDB of the Income Tax Act, which deals with tax benefits for medical treatment expenses. Drop a comment if you're watching live and let me know your thoughts. So let us jump right in. Section 80DDB is aimed at providing relief to individuals or Hindu undivided families, HUFs, who incur expenses for the treatment of specified diseases. But before we dive into the nitty gritty, let's understand who is eligible for these benefits. Individuals or HUFs who have incurred expenses for the treatment of specified diseases for themselves, their spouse, children, parents, brothers, or sisters are eligible. The taxpayer should be a resident of India at the time of incurring such expenses. The tax benefit can be claimed by both salaried individuals and self employed professionals. Now, does this eligibility criteria resonate with your situation? Drop a comment and let me know. Now let's talk about the diseases covered under Section 80DDB. These include elements like malignant cancer, chronic renal failure, AIDS, thalassemia, hemophilia, and a few more which are specified in the Income Tax Act. Expenses incurred for the treatment of these diseases qualify for deduction under Section 80DDB. You need to obtain a certificate from a specialist doctor who is working in a government hospital. The certificate should provide the details of the patient's name, age, the diseases diagnosed, the nature of the treatment, etc. It should also mention name, address, registration number, and the qualification of the specialist who is issuing this prescription. Keep all bills and receipts related to the medical expenses handy as this will be required to substantiate the claim during the tax assessment. Have you or your family members ever availed of tax benefits under Section 80DDB? Share your experience in the comments. Now let's address some common questions that often arise regarding Section 80DDB. Can expenses incurred outside India be claimed under Section 80DDB? No. Only the expenses incurred in India are eligible for deduction under this section. The second question is there any limit on the deduction that can be claimed? Yes. The deduction amount varies depending on the age of the patient and the actual expenses incurred. For individuals who are below 60 years of age, the maximum deduction is 40,000. While for the senior citizens who are above 60 years, it is rupees 1 lakh. Did you find these answers helpful? Let me know in the comments. Remember, availing tax benefits under Section 80D can significantly reduce your tax liability while also easing the financial burden of the medical treatment expenses. It is essentially It's very important to stay informed about such provisions in the tax laws to make the most of them. So before we wrap up, I want you to remind you to consult with a tax advisor or a financial expert for personalized guidance regarding your specific situation. So that's all for today's session. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for valuable insights. Drop your suggestions for future topics in the comments below. And see you tomorrow. The link for the upcoming session is given in the comment box. You can go and register for it. Thank you. Bye bye.